Hole digging tutorial. Now to dig a hole, the first thing you need is something to dig with. So, a shovel. When you dig a hole, along with the proper equipment, make sure you have the proper attire. Work gloves are good, so you don't blister your hands, but they're not required. You're gonna want a good pair of shoes that you're okay with getting dirty. No sandals, flip-flops, none of that bullshit. Next thing is you need to find a good place to dig. The ideal spot for digging is on a flat surface. So find a place that's decently flat. You're gonna want to make sure that you're not digging up anything important, so like call 811, it's like the digger number. Now onto the fun part, digging the actual hole. You're gonna want to dig an ideal sized hole for whatever you're burying, which in my case, it's not very big. Step 1, you get the outline. Now this is a pretty good sized hole for what I'm burying. Usually it's not that easy to dig, but it just rained last night, so the soil is pretty soft. Step 2 of hole digging is depth. Now the depth of your hole depends on what you're burying. Mine's not gonna have to be very deep. Stop digging once it's deep enough. Yeah, that's pretty good. Step 3, place the contents of what you're burying in the hole. Oh yeah, oh my God. Oh yeah. All those beans. Oh. Ugh. What I was burying is a fuck ton of beans. Step 4, you fill in the hole. Step 5, you stamp down the dirt.
Yeah! Son of a bitch! Fuck you! Bitch! Stupid! Piece! Shit! Fuck beans! Fuck you!
Yeah, so that's, so nothing digs it back up again. Step 6, you leave, and you think about what you've learned.